go swimming.
Oh, really?
Princess Brady walk away.
Okay. What are you giggling about?
I'm Mr. Ava.
Yeah, you're Ava.
Ava Virtue. I'm Mr. Roger.
You're wearing Dora's shirt?
I'm Dora.
Oh, really?
Ask about Tico.
Who's Tico?
Tico.
Tico Taco.
Tico Taco, yeah.
Tico Taco, yeah.
She's confused.
You heard that, Mommy?
Did you hear Mommy?
Yeah, I can hear it in the background.
Ava, fishy, 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 yo.
What did Mommy say?
All day.
Oh, yeah. That sounds like fun.
Are we going swimming? Uh-huh.
Zipper swimming here.
Oh.
Our brother's daddy wake up.
Oh. So, what are you wearing? I don't mean it like that. So you're wearing Dora's shirt?
Sicko.
You can't say.
Mommy. Hey, Dad.
Mom, did you say, Mommy, I stink?
It's our phone.
It's a weird phone?
Say bye-bye.